Then we have the logical gates. So we have the and or not. So this is important to understand also some logical gates. This is not mandatory to learn, but you should know about it. So this will help you with your condition, because this is all about logic and conditionals. So we have the and. So here are the table for the input. We have input, output. So the inputs are 0, 0. If we have 0, 0, 0 and 0 become 0. 0 and 1 become 0, 1 and 0 become 0, and 1 and 1 become 1. So you translate this one to true and false is the same. So false and false is false. False and true become false. So this is how you read this. And this we have the or. 0, 0 becomes 0. 0, 1 is 1. 1, 0 is 1. 1, 1 is 1. Then we have not, that is the negation. So 0 becomes 1 and 1 becomes 0. And here we have more, but we are not gonna talk about them. There's some special ones like nor, sor, snor.